But Ramit changed my mind. He changed my mind on money, spending, investing, and he changed my mind on something that I think 95% of you that are listening to this podcast and that are about to listen to this need to have your mind changed on too. That if you have the right philosophy towards money, the right perspective and mindset towards money, then there is a path to living our rich life, to becoming rich, that enough people are not talking about. Tell me why you think they should stay and listen to what we're going to talk about today, what they stand to gain if they give us their time.
Whenever someone hears someone talking about money, they get rigid. They instantly think that someone's going to come in and tell them, you can't spend money on lattes, you can't go on vacation, you can't buy any new clothes, save all your money until you're 90 years old, and maybe, just maybe, then you can spend it. I think you should spend extravagantly on the things you love, as long as you cut costs mercilessly on the things you don't. I think you should live a rich life today and an even richer life tomorrow. And so when you combine money and psychology, you start to understand that there is more to a rich life than just some number in a spreadsheet. People already know they should be saving more.